Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a room tour. Yes, the well-awaited room tour that's supposed to had happened already, like last year. But since I'm like super indecisive and I don't like how my room is all the time, I decided to change it like 10 times. So it's finally how the way I want it, majority, kind of. And yeah, I'm gonna show you around and explain like everything. I'm gonna go super in detail, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, so we're gonna start over by my door, and this is kind of like the messy area. I have all of my keychain stuff that I organized in here. It used to be over by my bed, but then I moved it because I wanted to push my bed over and I didn't have enough room. So I have all this stuff over here, so whenever I need it, I can just roll it over to my desk. My printer over here, this is like not how I want it. I don't even know, I took things off of it. Changbin signed album, and then some other things I put there that's not even, I don't know, we're not talking about that. Anyways, on my desk over here we have Hyunjin signed album, and then this CD player, and then I have actual like CDs. Sometimes I play them, I don't really know. Anyways, my keys, my mic stand. Yes, I put this, I don't know, it's just kind of sitting there, I don't know. Anyways, in here, I have like some markers and stuff like that. This is kind of like school things, I guess. And then in here is like random things I have from like albums and like posters and stuff. More paper, pen pal things. That's all in there. Above here, I have like plants and a poster signed by 10, and then another album signed by all Everglow members. Ugh, my babies, I love my girls. And a Felix slogan. I just like the pink so much, it goes with my aesthetic around here. This is my setup for like gaming and stuff. I recently just got this gaming chair and I'm literally in love with it because I bought this. Like, it's so nice, I love it, it's so comfy, and it has like a, like you can, I'll show you guys, hold on. It comes out like a footrest. It's awesome. So you can lay, relax, watch anime. It's exquisite. And K-dramas, all of the above. Okay. On my desk, I have some like controllers, Nintendo Switch, my headphones. Let's put this in. Okay. My headphones that are supposed to be up here. I don't know what they're doing at the moment. They're kind of like glitching. Don't know. Anyways, my AirPods, my Nintendo Switch, some tools for like my keychains. This is a coaster made by Kai. Love that. All of my keychains I'm selling. Some, polkos, whatever you want to call them. This is supposed to just be for extra storage. I don't really know. Candle, Hatsumiku, my little locker that I have like a whole bunch of random stuff in, my Care Bear, and my tulips. My Changbin, this is not February anymore, it is March, and it's almost the end of March. Okay, there we go. Candle, laptop. This is all of my stickers for decoing, and then up here is all of my like supplies to ship things out, or the majority of the things I need for it. All my journals, my iPad, I was listening to music earlier, and my PC. And then down here I just have my silhouette for stickers, but I don't know where to put it at the moment, so it's just gonna stay there for right now. Okay, so moving on, we have Chan, because this is literally my favorite slogan I've ever bought in my whole entire life. It is so beautiful. It is, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I got that at the concert a year ago. It's really sad to say that. Anyways, and then I have my Jimin poster. I literally bought this yesterday. I love it so much. It's so pretty. I needed the pink in my room because I guess pink is my theme. I don't really know. And then my bed with Kirby. We're gonna move over here my nightstand, and then I have like some like BTS stuff. It's kind of like my BTS wall-ish thing. I don't really know. It's just a couple things over here. I just didn't want this wall to be completely blank. Then I have all my sweatshirts, yeah, my hoodies, my SKZ one, which has hair all over it, and then my 17 tour one. Okay, so over here, okay, up here, I bought this one yesterday as well, and this is the prettiest picture of Jimin to ever exist, and I'm honestly so in love that it's above my TV. I just love it so much. Okay, so my TV, and then down here is like all of my clothes, kind of, not all my clothes, like some of them I have with my closet and stuff, but these are like the things I just like need, because I have like my dresser in another room and I don't use it. I don't like it. I only use like 20 clothes. So I put them all in here and it works out amazing. So yeah, my fan, and then my actual K-pop collection. So I'm gonna go in depth of this just a little bit. Okay. So up here I have my cookie, plushie thing, tulips, Jimin. This is kind of just a mess. I don't really know what I was doing with Chimmy, but they're sitting up there, I guess. Okay. Over here I have my BTS collection. Okay, it's looking pretty nice. I need to finish it. I'm thinking about finishing it, I don't know, maybe this year. It's gonna happen completely this year. I know it's gonna happen. I'll buy all of their albums and just finish it off, because I only have one tier, and then I have like one more of like the answer. I don't know. Anyways, it's making me mad that I don't have all of them. Anyways, okay. Down here, I have Stray Kids, Season's Greetings, Stay in Playground, Photo Book, another BTS album that I could not fit up top, all my Monster X collection, for the majority, I'm pretty sure it's all of it, and then some Day 6, more Day 6, Victon, and yeah, some like random albums that are just kind of thrown in here because I couldn't fit everything in its proper like place. And some groups I only have like one album for, so like I can't really like make a certain area for them, if that makes sense. Then this is my Stray Kids collection. I think I have completely finished everything for the most part. I mean, I don't have like dupes of like completely everything, but for the most part, I think I have like, I think all of the Levanters except maybe one, or maybe no, there's maybe one. I don't even know, but I think I'm pretty good on Stray Kids. I had to get rid of another 3 of the Go Lives because I had too many of them. I bought way too many. Down here is my ATEEZ collection and some or the majority of like my SM, like NCT, wavy, Super M type stuff. Okay. EXO, yeah. Which I actually really like this, but I wish I could fit all of like literally all of my NCT ones, because I have like I think a couple other ones. So that's that. And then my Monster X light stick. I wish I got to use this last year. I was supposed to go to 2 of their tours, or 2 concert dates for their tour. So yeah, that didn't happen. Down here I have a mix between 17, those are like bait albums, because I can't like, I don't know, they just kind of bug me when like they're just like super big and I don't know, it just is weird. Anyways, 17, some Twice, TXT, Astro, we got, what else do we got? We got DKB, yeah, my DKB album in here. What else do I have? Oh, Treasure, The Boys, Gravity. Oh, ITZY is over here, IZ*ONE. We have Chungha in here. And then my 17 light stick that has flowers in it still from the tour. Yeah. Down over here, I have my Twice Season's Greetings from last year that Kai gave to me, and then my photo cards are all in there. Then I have some other extra albums that I couldn't fit over there. And then over here I have some like photo cards that I'm selling, and then in here I have like a whole bunch of just like postcards, I guess, that I decorated with Xion. Ah, she's so cute. Up here I have some candles that I use, and then I have my, what's it called, like some extra stickers and stuff like that that I use for journaling. Up here I got my boy Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. Love that so much. Some pins, not all of them, just the ones that kind of fit. I have like NCT ones, TXT, BTS, you know, SKZ, and then Chuya from Bungo Stray Dogs, the anime. Then I have Changbin. Look at my baby. He's so cute. Look at him sitting there. And then I have some more like things for, you know, stuff like that. I don't even know. It's just random things for journaling. And then, what's it called? Like memo pads that sit in there. Up here I have all my perfumes. My favorite one, Monster X Sign album, light sticks that I don't know what to do with, and I just kind of like leave them there because I don't want to put them in their box. It's just, I don't know. Fruits basket, anime, some polkas I decorated for Jimin, and, you know, Hip Hop Monster, Chimmy, sitting there, passport, flowers. Okay. So that is the majority of my entire like K-pop wall, but I'm gonna give you guys an overview of what everything looks like again, just so you guys can see. Okay guys, so I just wanted to thank you for watching. I feel like I haven't posted that much in like the past, like, I don't even know, like couple months or so. I like stopped. I don't even know why I stopped, but I do want to continue posting. I just don't know exactly what I'm gonna be posting. I think maybe I will start doing some like shop like things for my Etsy. Oh yeah, by the way, I don't know if I didn't say anything about that, but I do have an Etsy open now, and I'm selling keychains. I will show you guys. Hold up. Okay, look at these. These are the keychains I am selling. They're up on my Etsy. I'm going to be doing customs as well. I don't know when exactly, and I'll be doing stickers as well. So, and Stray Kids inspired ones and all that type of stuff. So, stop on my Etsy if you guys are interested. Okay. Link will be in the description. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Yet again, I said that like 5 times. Anyways, make sure to go and follow my social media at spicychiim and Spear Baby. I'm using both accounts now, and I'm changing back to my spicychiim, of course. And yeah, bye guys.